Oh no, I have to sneeze. I'm gonna mute myself, I'm sorry. I lost the sneeze. I couldn't sneeze. The sneeze went away. There's no sneeze. We were robbed of a sneeze. I was robbed of a sneeze too, okay? You know when you have to sneeze and the sneeze goes away, but the feeling of having to sneeze does not go away? Yeah. Yeah. Don't mute next time. I'm too ashamed. I told you I don't have cute sneeze. Actually, I heard Mume sneeze the other day when we were talking, and it was so cute, just as cute as you would expect. I don't know if she sneezed on stream before, but man, she was so cute. My sneeze is not cute. It's not cute. But I think I did sneeze on stream, but I was holding back. I didn't sneeze as loud and powerfully as I possibly can. Who sneezes cuter, me or Snail? Obviously a Snail. I mean, cat sneezes are just adorable. Not even my full power. My full power would make you unsubscribe. It would ruin your image of me. It would say, ew. Ew. Mama Nature has such a a manly sneeze. Ew. Ew. I don't know if it can even be Moe. I have like dad sneezes. It's not fair. How come some people can sneeze like achoo, achoo, achoo? Like how? Whenever I sneeze, it's like all of the force of a hurricane. Maybe that explains it, because I'm nature, so I have the force of a tsunami in my sneeze. It's not fair. I want a cute sneeze. I don't have one though. I'm jealous of everyone with a cute sneeze. Achoo, achoo. Oh no, you guys, I have to sneeze. I'm about to sneeze. Achoo, 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 achoo. It's fake. I can't lie to you. It's not my real sneeze. Oh. If only. These are sneezes of lies. Sneezes made of lies.